Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode and schedule it on your Realme 16 Pro Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up these settings. Now in these settings, what are we going to do is scroll down to display and brightness, and we want to click on the dark mode. Now as you guys can see, we got the dark mode enabled, and that's how you guys can enable it. Now we can also schedule it. So for example, we click scheduled, we click custom, and light mode should be from 6 to 22, and it will switch to the dark mode at 22, so it is on 10 p.m. and we can also put it like this. So as you guys can see, it will switch to light mode at, let's say it's 5:38 now, so let's put 5:39. It's already 5:39, so we should come and see how it works in a minute. So basically all you do is just schedule it on your liking. So you can set it up from whenever you wake up if you want the light mode. So if you wake up at 6:30, you can put 6:30 here, and whenever you just lay in bed and you don't want your eyes to wear out faster, that's when we change it to the dark mode. So it should be around 9 or 10 p.m. depending on almost everything, because everybody's different. Sometimes the switch may not work at all, and it is somehow a glitch. It all starts working once you restart the device, but sometimes it just won't work properly. So as you guys can see, that's how you can easily set this up. And that's about it for the video. As you guys can see, it did not switch, so it will switch the next day. So that's how it works. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.